What if a simple experiment in a hidden laboratory turned into a hilarious disaster that could kill your sense of smell forever? Stay tuned. By the end, you'll learn 20 useful English words and practice speaking with me. Let's quickly preview the 5 hardest words today. First, chemical, a substance used in science, like in experiments. Example, the chemical made the water change color. Second, laboratory, a room for scientific tests. Example, scientists work in a laboratory to discover new things. Third, experiment, a test to learn something new. Example, she did an experiment to see if plants grow faster with music. Fourth, evil, very bad or harmful. Example, the villain had an evil plan to take over the city. Fifth, secret, something hidden from others. Example, he kept his birthday gift a secret until the party. In a quiet town, there lived a young inventor named Alex. He loved adventure, but his biggest thrill was his secret project in the basement. Alex had built a small laboratory down there, full of bottles and machines. He wanted to create the world's best cleaning spray. "This will be amazing," he said to himself. But Alex was nervous. What if it went wrong? He decided to approach the experiment carefully. He mixed a green chemical with some water. Suddenly, a terrible smell filled the room. It was like rotten eggs and old socks. "Oh no!" Alex shouted. The mixture started to bubble more. It got worse. The chemical turned purple and began to glow. Alex heard a loud noise, like a monster growling. "What have I done?" he whispered. The spray seemed almost evil, as if it wanted to cause trouble. Alex tried to stop it, but it spilled on the floor. Now the smell was even stronger. It could kill any good mood. Alex opened a window, but the wind carried the noise outside. Neighbors heard it and got scared. His friend Mia knocked on the door. "Alex, what's that terrible noise?" she asked. Alex let her in, looking nervous. "It's my secret project," he admitted. Mia saw the mess in the laboratory. "This looks like a bad adventure," she said. The chemical bubbled again, making a loud pop. They both jumped back. "We need to fix this before it gets worse," Mia said. Alex nodded. They carefully added some baking soda to the mixture. The evil glow started to fade, but then a funny thing happened. The chemical let out a loud laugh-like sound, like a cartoon character. "Is it giggling?" Alex asked. Mia started to laugh too. "Your experiment is alive!" The smell changed from terrible to sweet, like candy. They high-fived. But wait, the project wasn't done. The mixture sprayed out, cleaning the whole laboratory in seconds. "Wow, it works!" Alex shouted. Outside, a cat wandered in, attracted by the noise. It sniffed the air and ran away, scared by the sudden clean shine. "Don't scare the cat," Mia laughed. Alex felt less nervous now. "This adventure taught me to approach things carefully," he said. They cleaned up the rest. In the end, Alex's secret project became a success. He decided to share it with the world, but without the evil part. "No more terrible surprises," he promised. Mia nodded. "And next time, let's create something even better." They both laughed loudly, ending the crazy day. The chemical sat quietly now. No more noise or smell. Alex turned off the lights, ready for his next experiment. But as he left, a tiny bubble popped. "Did you hear that?" Mia asked. Alex shrugged. "Just the wind." Or was it? Alex started a secret project in his laboratory to create a cleaning spray. His experiment went wrong with a terrible smell and loud noise. It seemed evil and got worse, but with Mia's help, they fixed it carefully. In the end, the adventure was fun and no one got scared. Question 1. What was Alex's secret project about? A. Cooking food. B. Cleaning spray. C. Building a car. Comment your answer. Question 2. How did the chemical change during the story? Share a short answer in the comments. Question 3. What would you do if you had a terrible smell in your laboratory? Tell me below. If you enjoyed this story and learned new words, hit like and subscribe for more English adventures. See you next time.